Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. It's that time of the year where I usually release a big preset bank. I used to do them with Ableton device, and this time for the first time I'm gonna use Serum2 as they really improve the FX section and some new obviously engine. Make it really interesting to make preset bank. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically I made 120 preset. You have the audio loop version. I put few complementary drum loops. This is basically the drum loops I use for the demo. You have the Midi for each preset. Then you have the presets. So the presets, you will have them either individually in this folder. And I also included the file that you can straight up import to the bank. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you go into your Serum, go to menu, import preset pack, and then in your folder you have this file which is .serum pack, and you just click on open, and then when here you go to the preset window, you go to pack, and then you should have like Audioreakt Serum2 Techno Bank, and here you have all of your presets. You can reach them also here, pack, Audioreakt Serum2 Techno Bank, and you have all of your presets here. So all presets have a MIDI clip. So if you go here in the MIDI clip, you can see it appear here. So that's great because sometimes some preset they have like a very particular range where you can play them, like very small range. So that can give you help on how to use the preset, which range to play on the keyboard. Now all presets are classed by category, but obviously I really encourage you to go beyond that. If you have bassline, you can use them as a lead. You can use pad as bass. I'm planning to do a video actually how to take the most of your bank and give you some few tips how you can use presets differently, recycling them, and so on. Now all preset comes with macros. Some of them have 8 of them, some of them less. Usually you will have like the 2 first macro, there will be like more for the tone, so that can be great to add some subtle variation along your track. Then you will have like more kind of the classic filter resonance. And then sometimes you have effect, and finally you usually have delay, reverb amount if you want to put you on effect, obviously. Most of the presets also have some module parameter on it. Often it's like vibrato, GK release, here it was the release, but that can be great to also add variation. One thing also, you have the MIDI clip, and most of the MIDI clip, they have also variation, really to help you understand how the preset work, how you can add variation, how you can change the tone. All right, and finally, all the presets have like a preview clip, so you can just click on the play and it will demo the preset how it's intended to be played. And yeah, let's go over some of my favorite presets. So you just heard the acid one. In terms of bass, you have some kind of... These are great for more like hypnotic, weird techno, a bit experimental. You have some kind of psytrance bass. I also put quite some rolling bass also because it's pretty common in techno, and so different flavor of. Okay, I've done a few kicks, so this is really like, I've just done a few, but I really encourage you to dig into, it's more like kind of a template where you can just change the sample and change a bit the processing, experiment with different distortions, so you can create your own kick also. You can obviously import your own sample. And then I've done some kind of what I call a horn sound. This is something I will put usually at the drop or during the breakdown to give this very cinematic and dramatic effect. I've been a bit creative on that one, but you have more classic sound. All right, then we goes into the keys. I've done a lot of this kind of electric piano kind of vibe you're gonna hear. Alright, that's for the key. Now more kind of lead sound. A bit of dubstep vibe. And now we have some pads also. So this one might be a bit heavy CPU. This one might be one of my favorite presets. Then you have some more like kind of plucky sound, you know, this very short percussive element. Great for hook and hypnotic things also. Or more like cosmic techno. I also had to include Screech because it's pretty common nowadays. And finally some stabs that are more like kind of percussive scent, but you can also use them more like a kind of a leads. Alright, so that gives you an idea of what you can get. So if you want to find out more, obviously I will put it in the description where you can go check it out, the demos. And if you want to grab it also, it's a great way to support me. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.